Okay, it's the 23rd of the 6th, 2024. So this is a video about installing the pipe from the filler cap to the tank. The work's good, however, what I've found after driving the car, re-registering it and driving for about a month, is that when you put the fuel filler in, how it keeps on clicking off. Although the original one was deteriorated and had a bend down around here, you can see this is straight, but you can probably see that there's not much angle on it. If we look down there to the tank, there's really not much of an angle, and it's the angle that will get you the quick filling, the quicker filling. See, there's the join there, and we come along, and it's fairly straight. So if I could do the job again, what I would do is cut this bracket here, probably here, and bend it, and bring the filler cap up, and install the rubber hose up higher, at a higher entry point that will get you the flow and the quicker filling at the fuel station. Okay, well, the video is coming up. I hope you find it entertaining or helpful. Thanks for your interest. Please like and subscribe. Okay, at this stage I've got the clamps off, and I've pushed this tank hose clamp down and off the rubber. I'm going to remove this filler cap nozzle bracket, and that way this will be exposed and I can push the new pipe onto the tank. I've got the breather pipe off. I just pushed that. I pushed that off with a long screwdriver. I cut this here to remove the hose, but as you can see, the hose sits out over a fair amount of this this filler cap nozzle extension there. So that was unnecessary because I'm removing this. The screws I was able to screw off with a electric screw gun. The ones behind there I couldn't get to, and I just use a small screwdriver like that, and that's all coming off. Okay, so that's lined up there. That falls pretty well halfway on the bend, so you can see, old compared to new, this does fit on the fitting there. So I'll go ahead and cut that halfway on the bend. Just for anybody who's wondering if it's like that on the outside, is it the same on the inside? No, the inside is good. I'm just going to attempt. So on the inside, the rubber is good. So you can see. So that's good rubber. Okay, there we can see. I think it's the electric pump, or yeah, the electric pump down in there. Okay, so there we have it. There's the new rubber line. That curve on the end was needed just to go into the tank. So that's a good straight fuel line there. Okay, so the WD-40, I put that on the inside to get it on the bracket. I put it on the outside to move the clamps. The clamps weren't too bad. They could have been much worse. I was able to move mainly with these pliers. I think I did a little bit of work with these. I couldn't do anything with these. This was good to move the get it started with the clamps moving, especially the top one there. The bracket, taking the bracket off was the best idea. I needed this on this one to reach up and undo the bracket screws there. I cut the rubber hose with this. It was probably a better way, but you know, it worked. And the screw gun. So that's the tools that I used. The light was good. As I say, these weren't needed. Okay, that was a date stamp of 21st of the 1st, 2024.